What's up, Father Makas? This is a very quick video and I will show you how to make hundreds of thousands of dollars in a few minutes. Very important is when you get the sword that you see here, do not use it. A detailed video for how to find the sword, you can just YouTube finding XP caliber sword dying light, and there are several videos on it. I didn't put it in. Anyway, I will show you the location on the map, and I'll also show you how to get there on the map and tell you what to do. But for a detailed video, check the other videos on YouTube. Alright, so the first step you have to do is to look at the map here and go down to this location here. It's right at the southeastern part of the map. So if I zoom down here, there's a pier down here, and all you have to do is just swim across to this small island here. There's a dead zombie with the sword EXP caliber. I don't know why they give such a stupid effing name. Anyway, you have to hold X for 2 minutes to pull the sword out of the zombie, and then wait for some time until the zombie punani goes up in smoke, and then you get the blueprint for the Excalibur. You can do this right at the beginning of the game. Yeah, simple as that. And so now I am at my home base where you start off with, and now you go and do the duplication glitch, which is very simple. I've seen a lot of videos with duplication glitch for other weapons, is great. But this one is right at the beginning. You can start making a shitload of money. So the duplication glitch works like this. First step is you need to get the melee skill, which is somewhere here. It's this one here. You need to unlock that. First step. Or second step. First step? No, it's the first step. Do that, and second step, get the Excalibur, EXP caliber, or whatever the fuck it is called. So what you do is press R3 twice, get into melee stance, or if you're on the Xbox, the right stick, double click it, and then hit your R2 or the right trigger on the Xbox, and as soon as you hear the whoosh sound of the sound heading out from your hand, you should hit the menu button like this, and then go to your inventory, and as you can see, the Excalibur is still here. So all you need to do is drop it, and the Excalibur will duplicate. There you go, you got 2 Excaliburs now. You can rinse and repeat this as many times as you want. I'll just do it one more time. There you go. Now I got 3 Excaliburs, EXP calibers. And then all you need to do, the first thing, very important, is once you get the Excalibur, do not use it. Do not use it. Use your other weapons. Come over here, duplicate it first, and then use it for selling. If you use it, it loses its durability, and once it loses that, it gets damaged, and it doesn't have the same level of effectiveness. As you can see here, I actually used it by mistake a little bit, and I've only got durability of 5 out of a total of 7. So bad idea. Anyway, what can you do? So you come back here to this punani, and you can sell your Excaliburs. As you can see, it's quite a good price, $1,400. Sell, rinse and repeat, and you can have a shitload of money in a very little period of time. That's all. It's short and sweet tutorial. Hit the like button. If you send it up really high, I don't know, 10, 20, 50 likes, I will start uploading many more rapid tutorials. My next video is going to be a lot of fun, where I kick a lot of volatiles ass and show you how to really power level up quickly. Don't be scared of the dark, my friends.